How to rename a column in Google Sheets. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, select the row you want to rename or column you want to rename, then go to Data and you'll find Named Ranges. Click on Add a Range, add a name to your column, then select which sheet is it and which row or column. Simply press on Done and your name will be changed. If I want average of this column, I'll simply write is equals to average and then in bracket the name we changed earlier. As you can see, all the selected columns is available. And that's how to rename a column in Google Sheets. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.